I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the spreadsheet so Pspp reads it cleanly. Once done, remove merged cells and ensure a single header row with consistent column types, because Pspp relies on headers to name variables. Next, save the sheet as CSV UTF-8 and pick the delimiter that matches your locale. Make sure dates use a single format and decimals match Pspp settings. These first steps prevent import errors and reduce time spent fixing variable types later. You now load the CSV into Pspp via File Open Data and choose the delimited text option. During the import dialog, specify the delimiter and text qualifier, confirm UTF-8 encoding, and indicate that the first row contains variable names. This ensures labels import correctly. In the preview, inspect each column, change variable types or widths as needed, and set date/time parsing for date fields. Making these choices here avoids misclassified variables and preserves numeric. You finish by validating the imported data. Run frequencies and descriptives to check ranges, missing values, and category labels, because quick checks catch parsing errors. Then save the cleaned file as a Pspp. Save and add variable labels and value labels for clarity. If something goes wrong, try reopening the CSV with an alternate delimiter or encoding, or inspect the header row for invisible characters. Fixing headers and re-importing usually resolves mismatched types or shifted column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.